This video will demonstrate how to create alternative room names for any given room. The two lounges you see here have the same display name, i.e. lounge, but one was listed in the select item form as a furnished version, so they have differing contents by default. I am now going to provide both versions with alternative room names. The purpose of creating alternative room names is that sometimes it is not worth creating a separate instance of a room in the database when the settings for that room will not differ significantly from a room that you already have. For example, you may wish to create an alternative that reads living room rather than lounge, and as the contents are by and large the same, it is easier to manage just by allowing a choice of display names rather than by setting up another room in the database. To create an alternative name, click on the Settings icon. Then select the Room view on the Item Management tab. And select the room for which you wish to create an alternative room name. Then click the plus button at the bottom of the Room Name Selections palette and type in the alternative. Any number of alternatives can be added. Here I can think of at least 3 useful alternatives. If you have different versions of a room in the database, such as a furnished and an unfurnished version with differing default contents, don't forget to add the alternative room names for those other versions if required. Now let's return to the property overview and select some of the alternatives we've just created. To swap a room name for an alternative, click on the drop-down menu adjacent to the room name and select the desired alternative.